Hello, welcome to another song class with La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. We showed you the first song trick last time, and we are staying in this concept. We are going to show you move that is very characteristical for song. I called it Balsero swing. It's based a bit on Balsero, so if you don't know Balsero at all, I will link it somewhere now, blinking on the top of the screen. Watch it, then come back to this video. When I saw this move for the first time on some Son show video, it took me forever to break it down and figure out what's going on. So if you want to know, stay with us. First, we'll show you how the whole combo works. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, and now, and 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, and 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop. Okay? The first thing we would like to show you is the cross step that we normally teach on the beginner's class when we just go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll do the same in the son rhythm. So starting cross in front on 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. On top of that, we'll start moving our foot in circle, like brushing the floor, and then cross. And now, so the movement will be quite long, lasting for 4, 5, 6. On 6, I'll make steps. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, swing, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, swing, and 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, swing, and 2, 3, 4. Hope you get the idea. We're keeping the foot on the floor and making like a semicircle with it. Obviously, from girl perspective, it will be opposite. And both of us will be swinging at some point, and we'll explain how to do it. Okay, so now what's going on? What's going on? We started like Balsero. So if you remember Balsero, or if you watched the video already, it starts obviously with step forward for the girl. So you have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. And now there is the moment when she's behind me, I'm in front of her. And this is where things are changing slightly, because I'm going across in front, she goes across on the back, we are both swinging, hop, 6, 7, 8. Now she's on my left side, right hand is on my shoulder, and now I have to make something like a hook turn, more 3 steps stationary, when she walks forward and rotates around me. And at the same time, we are swapping arms, so my right arm will go to the side and left will go on my shoulder like this. Ding, ding, boom. And suddenly she landed on my side again. From Anna's perspective, there were just 3 steps literally walking forward. From me, 3 steps on the spot. And this is the moment when we start swinging again. Swing and hop, rotate, change position. So this rotate, change position is quite tricky. I started from this side, I rotated, I landed with Anna on my right back. Okay, one more time, the same, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, rotate, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 on spot, guys, tick, tick, hop, and tick, tick, hop, and tick, tick, hop. Now, to finish it, we go like Balsero, 6, 7, 8, rotate, 2, 3, 4, I release the right hand, I continued only with the left behind my back. Then we do dilekeno, ting, ting, hop, and close position, ting, ting, open. And cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky again. Cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, go, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, go, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, finish, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, hop, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. We'll do it one more time for the opposite camera. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and we go dilekeno hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, finish, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. Okay. You could loop this for however long you want. However, Anna was telling me, if you do it too many times, I get dizzy. Yes, girls are rotating all the time the same direction, and even the beginning, the sombrero-like part, and finishing, also sombrero-like part is also to the right. So you constantly move girl to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. It can be quite uncomfortable. So let's stick to 2 full repetition, and the third one, we are finishing the move. We'll do it with music. Okay, this move is quite dynamic. So with this song, we will need to put quite a bit of power in it. Ba, 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 ba. And we go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, hop. 6, 7,
Soy
8.
de allí del
2, 3,
campo,
hop. 6, 7, 8.
tierra
2, 3,
mía,
hop. 6,
donde
7,
el
8.
arroyo te
2, 3, hop.
brinda agua fría, donde tú ves un bello amanecer.
Let's practice the cross
Y las
by itself.
flores
So girls,
del
when you go
valle
behind, you do
huelen
slide,
a
and guys, when you go
miel.
behind, you do slide.
Soy de allí te digo,
So, girls,
donde el
guys,
sinsonte le
guys,
canta cada día
girls,
al viejo
guys.
monte.
Okay, nice
Y
one.
la paloma
Something to practice at home.
hace su nido
And we go with our move
en
again.
el sombrero
Hop.
del Guajiro.
Hop.
Yo soy de allí donde hay caña y café y una guardarraya que me quema los pies. Yo soy de allí, señores, y allí moriré.
And I'll do a bit
En
of
mi
a
viejo
teaser for next
bohío
class.
que está a la entrada del batey.
Ding, ding, hop. And our move one more time.
Soy de allí donde las palmas al aire sienten cantar, por eso bailan y un rayo de sol
Okidoki.
en la mañana.
So I gave you a teaser what's going to happen in the next class. Another very characteristical element of son. We'll discuss it next time. What to remember from this class, what to practice. If you don't have partner to practice this move yet, you can definitely practice the step. Try to add the swing, especially on the back here and on the front. When you have partner in front of you, obviously you can't swing in front. So this is one of the things. And second, obviously, when you have a partner, you can go through this move over and over and over and over till you get really, really dizzy. Okay, if you would like to see the move that we danced in the middle, and we'll explain it and we'll tell you how this walking to the side works, come back for the next video. And before you do that, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can support our channel. Links are in the description. We do appreciate your support. Thanks to you, we can carry on, and this channel grows. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.